Hey guys, welcome back. The next plugin we are looking at is called Regex Wizard GPT. So as you can understand from the name itself, it is a specialized expert in crafting and explaining regular expression to any query you have. We'll be looking at 4 prompts for this, and I will also test it out on an IPython notebook so that you guys can see what it's actually generating is not something out of sync with reality. So what is this GPT? So Regex Wizard GPT specializes in crafting and explaining regular expression patterns within the GPT. It is an essential tool for anyone looking to understand or create regular expression from beginner to advanced. It simplifies the often complex world of regex, making it accessible and less daunting for the user. And one more thing I want to add here, you would also get Python code as the output. So you can use that Python code and test out the regex for what it's being done. That's why we will use the IPython notebook. So how to use this? Click try button on the top of the page to open the regex inside the ChatGPT. So in this case, you have the URL here. So just click on this. So it will take you to there and ask any regex question. So we will look at the 3 prompts we have, which we will be asking. Receive custom solutions will provide tailor-made solutions and explanations, helping you understand the logic behind the regular expression. Apply regex skill. So use the provided solution and explanation to enhance your regex skills in regular expression pattern and analysis. Is designed by demystify regex patterns, often clear explanations and practical solutions, thus making regex an approachable topics for all the users. So if you work on Unix or Windows in mostly system roles, regex is something which you must be really good at. If you are not, you will have a very tough time in your job. So or if you are looking to match through Excel or anything, or using pandas or anything, even there you will use regex. So regex is always a good skill to have. So let's look at what we are doing here. So let me just go into the prompt here. So just let me copy this. Let me ask my first prompt to the GPT. How do I write regex for emails? So it is giving us the code, and just to make the life easier here, so let me go into GPTs and show you how you can use it. So you have this Regex Wizard GPT IPython notebook, the link of which will be attached. So just click on this, and I have already done the work for you. You can just need to go click on collab, and this opens the page for you. And here you can run and validate the output. So basically it's giving an explanation what the regex is, and it breaks down each one of it, and it will give the Python code for you. So this Python code is already here. So I have taken 3 examples, 2 valid, and the 1 and 2 are true, third one is false. So if I click this and click this, so we will get the example here. Just hold on a minute. Okay, so we got it. So let me actually ask it to do one more thing. So I wanted to extract a regex between the words between the tags. Right, so I can also say it can be tag I or anything. So or if you want specific tags, you can mention it. So you would get a regex like this. And in this one, all you have to do is just go click it. So this is between the I tag. Anything between the I tag will be printed here. And I have another example here. If you wanted generic between any tag, you can still do that too. So it will give us the generic tag. Anything between the tag will do it. Or if you want specific tag like I, H3, H1, you can ask it. It will give you that. So that's basically what the second prompt we are looking at. And the third one is, so find repeating words in a string. So I want a regex for it, and I'm just showing you the possible use cases. So it could also be to extract first name and last name, or extract only numbers from phone numbers from a given string. So you can probably do a lot of combinations of regex. Because regex combos are infinite, we can't cover all of them. I'm just showing you how to use this GPT. If you're a programmer and you are probably not so good with regex, you would definitely appreciate this GPT. Even if you are, it would probably help you save your time. So once I get this, let me go into the GPT here and let me just run this. It's exactly the same code. So I just pre-ran the prompts and accumulated them into the collab, which I'm just executing now. So if you want, you can just copy, go to collab and create a new notebook and test it out to the defined inputs, also your new inputs, and see how efficient it is for most of the use cases. I did see some regex probably not getting it 100% right. You have to do more chain of prompting to get what you want. And last but not the least, I want to create a regex for dates in this format. So it will give me this Python program. Let's wait for it. In the meantime, I have the date there. So I'm just running it. It's true. And just to confirm, the false negative is also right. So let's assume 266. This should be false. So you should get false for the second one. So we do know this is working and we got the code for this. So I hope this is helpful. And if you work on regular expressions, this might be a useful GPT to add on your to-do list or just to mark it. And if you are short of time, or if you are probably multitasking and don't have enough time to try out your regex, this is a good GPT. So I hope this helps. Thank you for joining.